I've been teaching for many years now, since 1997. Even though I do enjoy the job, I needed something which would challenge me and recharge the batteries and sort of make me more infused. And I think the sabbatical course has definitely done that.
I did the sabbatical scheme because I was asked by my head teacher whether I would attend, so I said yes. I was a little bit nervous to start off with. However, I will have to say it's probably the best thing in my whole career.
Roedd y cwrs arbennig o dda. Gwnes I fwynhau y cyfle I ddysgu pethau newydd.
We firstly learned the Welsh language. I found that I've been using a lot of the techniques that I've picked up in terms of how I can teach a language in my Welsh lessons as well as in English.
Dwi'n hapus nawr I ddysgu yn y dosbarth. Mae plant yn hapus I ddysgu. Dwi'n credu eu bod nhw'n annog I ddysgu achos mae agwedd cadarnhaol gyda fi. Pwy sy'n eisiau fynd o flaen y dosbarth I siarad am anifeiliaid?
Miss Lewis, since she's been back in school, has completely transformed.
Mae pawb yn mynd I wlad newydd. Mae pawb yn hapus. Hooray!
She's far more confident. Her skills have developed in terms of her leadership. Obviously, there are always concerns when you're releasing one of your better teachers into a sort of year sabbatical. It's almost a short-term pain for long-term gain, and I only foresee that the school will go from strength to strength just from using our year out.
I think this is a wonderful opportunity for head teachers and schools across Wales, not just for the member staff who will receive high quality CPD, but for the staff left behind in school as well. It's then an opportunity to promote within the school. We identified somebody to step into the role of acting Welsh leader, and as a result, that person in terms of leadership capacity has grown massively as well.
Y peth gorau oedd magu hyder achos dwi'n gallu siarad mewn cyfarfod gyda athrawon arall.
Maen nhw'n dweud mae Mr Newbury yn hapus achos rydyn ni'n siarad Cymraeg.